everyone, I hope you're keeping well. I'm going to be doing a quick video. Well, I'm saying quick, it probably won't be. We've had a spring clean here today and I found a load of stuff. I hope you enjoy this video as much as I'm excited to show you. I found a load of old things. Some of them I hadn't even used, some of them I forgot about, and some of them I thought I'd lost because we moved quite a few times now and I thought I'd lost them all. But remember I was on about cream cheek blushes and stuff. They've all been here right under my nose. Someone's going in and out of the house and I didn't even know that they were there. So I've got loads of things to show you. I've got me old palettes. I've got palettes that I'd been sent because I was working on eyeshadows to make new palettes with. I've got brush sets galore that I got sent to play with to find the right type of brushes. So I'm just going to use them. I kept them all safe for what? I'm just going to have fun with them. It's like Christmas here, finding them all. I sent Martin up in the loft. I told him what to look for because I knew I'd seen them. I wasn't going demented. But since we moved, everything got put away and I thought I'd lost it. So anyway, I'm going to get on with this video because it's I've got a little bit of daylight still coming in, just a little bit. My ring light's not on. I suppose I could put it on, couldn't I? No, it's not even plugged in. I can't put it on. Right, so Tarte Cosmetics. Remember these little things? I don't even think they'll be available in the shop. This is Cushion and it's a cheek colour cream. It's a bit sweaty. Well, it's not sweaty, it's just something's happened to it. It's very watery, but it's a lovely colour. Probably shouldn't put that on my skin, especially with us having rosacea, just in case it's a bit old and wrong. But isn't that lovely? Can't believe they've been here all this time and I didn't think I had any cream blush products. But it's ridiculous. It happens all the time in my life. So this one's Tarte Princess. Something's gone wrong with that. It's going to have to go in the bin, I think. But the colours are gorgeous. So I don't know why I want to keep that. It's really pretty. It's like a cream blush. And they smell absolutely fine because usually you can smell when makeup's gone a bit, what's the word, squiffy. And this smells fine. And then I've got this one here, Tarte Brilliant. Again, really light colour. I'll put that on there. Go. I feel quite stressed today. Like I feel like I'm not breathing properly. Like up a height and tensed and like, I don't know. I think it's because of what's going on. I think it's all starting to dawn on with that we're really stuck in. And I mean, my place is shut now for, it's meant to be 3.5 weeks, but Paul said it's probably going to be a lot longer. So it's kind of like, I don't know, feels really weird. Do you know what I mean? It doesn't feel weird. Sad. Right. Persimmon, Elf, remember that little ELF, eyes, lips, face. Found these. I'm sure I've not long used these and all, but I'm putting on the back of my hand so it's there. It's really nice. Oh, and guess what? It's Jordan's birthday on the 4th of April and he's not going to see his dad because he's going to be here. So we're going to make it special for him. This one here is Pink Lemonade. It's really sad. He's not going to get to see his dad or anyone else really. Can't even celebrate with his friends. So we're going to make burgers and make the best of it. Poor little lad. Sad times. Anyway, Ico Beauty. We've got, he's going to be on the live with us. He said he's going to come and join the live tomorrow night. 7 PM GMT. Make sure you're there. Ask him all the questions you want. As long as it's, we'll get a moderator in. Ooh! What's happened to that? I don't even know where that went. This is an Ico one. Ico Fat Balm. It's fell out of the tub. I think I can hear a bit of Pink Floyd down there. Martin's got the music on. You can't really see that. Nah, you can't see it. It's gone really funny. Right, so then I found this one here. This is a L'Oreal blush, 846. It's Magic Souffle. Yeah, Magic Smooth Souffle. And I've tried it on my hand earlier and I've noticed it dries into like a powder. Gorgeous. but I put a bit too much on there. So if you don't want anything glossy, you want to dry it like a powdered finish, this is your one. Very nice, subtle. That would look lovely on the face. So I'm looking forward to playing with that one. And then we've got a couple of other things. What we got? I found these three. No, the Nars. I had Copacabana, Luxa, Orgasm. My heart's racing a bit funny. Ugh. Orgasm. This one I don't even know how to pronounce it. I'll let you do it. Caricas or whatever. Let's look at that. That's bright pink. See? That's really nice. And then I've got Benefit That Girl. Dirty. I don't know how it's got so dirty, but it's been in a tub. So obviously, back of the hand. And then just blend it out. It's hard to see that actually. See? You're going to get a load of more videos off me going through my bits and pieces. I found all sorts. I found this here, the Clinique Berry on Time number 6. Never seen them before. I forgot all about it. This must have been off when I used to do this morning. I used to have this. I used to have a slot on this morning, and then my guardian column used to get sent stuff to try out. So I think you've got to really give a good twist to the brush, and you get a little bit on like that. And then again, this dries very. Look at that. It's beautiful, but it's very dark. And dries like a matte. But it's a lovely little brush to put it on with. I have to be careful with that though, because that looked like a bruise. So yeah, not the look we're going for. Let's have a look. I've got all sorts all of my hand, a new wet wipe. I've washed all my brushes and all. I've had them in the bath because we've had a whole day off, stuck in the house to get everything ready for more makeup looks. I've been mucking around, setting everything up. It's more my bedroom, well, it's Martin's bedroom as well, but it looks like a girly bedroom, bless him. So he's well, he doesn't mind, he thinks it looks cool. And then I've got this is the Nars Orgasm, but it's a liquid. It doesn't show up very well on the hand like the stick does, the multiple. See what I mean? It's very, very, very sheer. The lighting's not so great in here at the minute, but it's not so bad. Found 3 little cream blushes by Max Factor. First one here is Soft Cardinal. Look at that. Really, really nice. I would get rid of that off my hand. Beautiful. Just soft and subtle. And I've really blended that out. I mean, you could layer it really heavy if you wanted. You don't have to, but I know if I really love cream blushes. If you know me at the minute, I'm into them big time. And then we found this one here, Soft Candy. I say we found, it's me, I found them. But bless, I sent Martin into the attic because I knew I'd seen some stuff. And I wanted to find them, but I couldn't find them. So I thought, right, they've got to be in the attic. And there were. He's found them all. There's something behind us, I'll show you. I don't know if I've got time in this video. I'm going to do a few different videos and just pop them out for you. So this one is Soft Copper. Really nice. All Max Factor. I don't know if they're still available. What's it there? Really nice stuff. I don't know if they're still available. But I love cheek cream. Absolutely love it. Found me hard candy colour corrector, but look at that, it's minging, it's gone off, it's really discoloured and weird. That's going to have to go in the bin. Never mind. Then I found these. Oh, I feel boiling hot and hot. I wonder if that's just the heating. I feel like I'm not breathing. It's weird. Soothing Eye Balm. Kind eyes. I found a couple of these. So they're really going to be handy, you know, and you took your makeup off and you're feeling a bit, ugh. So I'm happy about that. I found this as well, a MAC Super Slick Liquid Eyeliner. It was in the same pot as all these. Let's get this out. Really lovely, straight. Oh, just reading me messages as they're coming in. Right, I've got a couple of Max Factor Lip Infinity pens, like lip tint. This one here, look, they're really cool, and I didn't even know I had them. They've been hanging out in a box with all this lot. I'll get rid of that lot so my hands can start again for you. These will stain your lips, they're good. So this one is number 3. Look at that. That's going to be really lovely on the lips, that, isn't it? It's almost like a felt tip pen for your lips. This one's number 6. Wow, look at that. They're wet and then they dry like really super fast. Which one have I done? Number 3 in that, okay. And then we've got number 4. Get on there, you. Try to do a runner. This one's a lot like rosy, like a lot lighter. Really nice, number 4. Number 5. This looks good. It's nice, that, isn't it? It's a little bit more on the tea colour, and then we've got number 8. That's very coral. That's some cork and colours there, isn't it? Which is really good. I love lip products, and they're brand new. They haven't been touched before, so I'm really chuffed about that. And taking them off your hand, there is a bit of stainage, but that's what you want, innit? You want it to last for the day. I'm going to leave this video like that. I'm so chuffed about bits and bobs. I'm going to have to put that in the bin now. I'm really sad. And probably put the Tarte stuff in the bin, because it's a bit sloppy. They're actually sloppy, and the tops are a bit but I really hope you've enjoyed seeing that lot. I'm going to do another video. I've got all these eyeliners I'm going to go through, and a lot of them are going to go in the bin. Unfortunately, they're all a bit funny. Well, not all of them. Some of them are brilliant. Some of them are still working, but I'll show you what I mean. If you're interested in seeing that video, I'm going to put that up as well. And then I'm going to run through some bits and bobs. Yes, blast from the past. Hurts to look at these, but I did put my heart and soul into them, and I've kept them all and all. So yeah, we'll do them in a separate video, because I found loads today. Brilliant. Right, okay, I shall see you all in a bit. Zoom zoom.